What's the meaning of aging? Aging. 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 Aging is a natural process of getting older, characterized by a gradual decline in physical and mental capabilities. As we age, the body's cells gradually lose their ability to function properly, resulting in degenerative changes that may lead to various health problems such as chronic diseases, weakened immune system, cognitive impairment, and frailty. The aging process is influenced by both genetic and environmental factors and can be accelerated by unhealthy lifestyle habits such as smoking, poor diet, and lack of exercise. While aging is inevitable, it is possible to maintain good health and quality of life through healthy habits and medical interventions.